Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the 70mm 4K dashcam T800E, a powerful 3-channel dash camera designed to cover every angle of your drive. This dashcam combines front, rear, and interior cameras, with the front capturing 4K footage and both the interior and rear cameras recording in 1080p. With ultra-wide lenses and an f1.55 aperture, the T800E delivers clear and detailed footage in all lighting conditions, making it an excellent choice for Uber, Lyft, or family drivers looking for comprehensive coverage. One of the standout features is its night vision capability. The camera uses advanced HDR imaging and 3D noise reduction, ensuring license plates and road details remain sharp even in low light or nighttime conditions. The interior camera also comes with a switchable infrared option, letting you choose when to capture enhanced night footage inside the car. This adds an extra layer of security without compromising convenience. This also offers 24/7 parking monitoring and AG sensor emergency lock. When your car is parked, the camera can automatically detect collisions or motion and lock critical footage, providing peace of mind when you're away. For continuous monitoring, it's compatible with hardwire kits, so you can keep an eye on your vehicle at all times. Built-in 5-mode GPS enhances the dashcam's functionality by recording precise location, speed, and route data. The camera also supports Wi-Fi 6, allowing fast file transfers through the 70mm app, with speeds up to 5 times faster than older Wi-Fi versions. Hands-free voice control further improves safety, letting you start recording, take photos, or lock important footage without touching the device. Installation is straightforward with a simple adhesive mount and plug-and-play setup. The package includes a 64GB SD card for continuous loop recording, and the camera supports up to 512GB storage for extended recording sessions. The rear camera uses a Type-C interface, making connectivity simple and reliable. Finally, this is built for durability. A supercapacitor replaces traditional lithium batteries, ensuring stable performance in extreme temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With an 18-month warranty and professional after-sales support from 70mm, this dash cam is built to last. In conclusion, the 70mm 4K dashcam T800E delivers a complete package for anyone looking to protect their vehicle with high-quality recording, smart features, and reliable performance. Whether you're driving for work or leisure, this dashcam covers front, rear, and interior views with clarity and precision. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.